We divide 974 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 7 and it is 47. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down this 4 and it is 24. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 974 divided by 5 is 194 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.